Regulatory chess, Microsoft's play for Activision Blizzard hangs in the balance. Brad Smith, Microsoft's vice chairman and president, has revealed the tech giant's diligence in addressing concerns ahead of their renewed takeover bid for Activision Blizzard. After UK regulators thwarted the initial $69 billion offer due to cloud gaming competition worries, Smith emphasized Microsoft's commitment to navigating regulatory waters. It will be up to the regulators to decide whether that path is clear, Smith stated. As the gaming world watches, the fate of this powerhouse union now hinges on regulatory judgment, determining the future landscape of interactive entertainment.
Download Toro Alerts app and get free options alerts for 2 weeks.